get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name's Alana. I would love for y'all to hit the subscribe button down below, and if you guys would like to see how I got this look right here, just stay tuned and keep watching. Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, as you guys can tell by the title, we are installing another wig from Luvme Hair. So thank you to Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video. So today we are installing this wig, as you guys can see right here. So I will have all the information for you guys on the screen, also in my description box down below. I can already tell that this wig is gonna be super easy because it is a closure. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is a closure wig, and I don't know y'all, like I really like this curl pattern. I don't know what type of curl pattern this is, but it's a really pretty curl pattern. What I'm also noticing is that this hair is really short, which I didn't know was gonna be like this short. It's kind of giving a bob. So I do not remember the inch of this hair off the top of my head, but like I said, it does almost look like a bob. I'm gonna show y'all the back of the wig. This is what it's doing in the back. It's real flowy. And you guys, so I just also want to mention, I did not bleach the knots on this wig, y'all, and I don't think I plucked it. If I did pluck it, I think I just did very minimum. I didn't have to bleach no knots on this wig, you guys. It came pre-bleached and it came pre-plucked. Like, I didn't bleach nothing on this wig. Like, it literally came like this. So that is always we're just gonna install this wig. This is gonna be glueless, so I will be using my got to be glued spray in today's video because I don't want to use no glue today, like So just gonna cut this lace off, and this should be a real easy install, y'all. I don't think I need any glue. I mean, I don't think I need any spray for this wig because it feels really secure in my head. So I don't even think we need the got to be glue. I don't know why, but every time I do a middle part, I feel like it's not in the middle. I might have to, this is just makeup that I put on the lace, so that's why it looks like bald in some spot. That's just makeup. I probably could just like dust that off because I didn't bleach no knots on here, like at all. I might pluck it just a little bit more. I thought I plucked this, but I thought I did, but I do know that I did wash it. We're just gonna do a quick little middle part and no baby hairs. Stop playing with them, right? You thought I was feeling you? That nigga munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my body I get what I want, like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my body I get what I want, like now let's keep it a beam. Wanna be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it's seen. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. When niggas that's toting a beam, saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass me like that I mean. Baddest out, you should've me. If you ain't a bad, can't sit with me. I swear that these my mini-me. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, they's not breathing. I'm gonna check, building demons. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my body I get what I want, like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my body I get what I want, like tell my body I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. You with my body, you telling me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. I just went for a regular middle part. So I said I wasn't gonna use spray, but I'm just gonna use it to spray my part just right here so I can keep this dramatic like lifted part right here. My part to be like dramatic. I feel like it just hits different. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my body I get what I want, like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my body I get what I want, like
was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my baddie I get what I want, like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my baddie I get what I want, like. Now let's keep it a beam. Wanna be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it's seen. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. When niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass me like that on me. Better speak out, you shitting me. If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these is my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their neck, stays not breathing. Thumb in a check, bloating demons. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my baddie I get what I want, like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my baddie I get what I want, like. Tell my baddie I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. He want my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She come on staring cause shorty a fan. Damn, gotta stick to the plan. He mad as I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. Still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my baddie I get what I want, like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my baddie I get what I want, like.
Yeah.